Good day, my name is Tene Smith. I grew up on a farm in South Africa. I have a lot of experience in farming equipment and repairing of equipment. I went more into the mechanical side as I qualified as a diesel mechanic to maintain all vehicles, semi-trucks, implements, TLBs, excavators, front loader and skid steers. When in season I worked the fields, cornfields, plowing, tilling, planting and harvesting, even transport of corn to the local silos. I love working with my hands. I also have a lot of driving experience. Worked at a local dealership as a diesel technician. I became a workshop foreman for the last 2 years. I love farm life as it is a calming environment. In my free time, I like to spend time with my family, to go fishing, camping, just to enjoy nature. I like to get the opportunity to become a part of the H2A community to prove that I'm a respectful, loyal, hard worker. I would like to provide a better life for my family so that my sons can have a better future and to be a better example to them. Thanks in advance.